Thank you, Albdeeoo. What an interior decoration company you have. We are very, very thankful for this beautiful porta cabin of you. It's look like a particular room, and if you go inside, you will feel it. I'm very thankful for your company, Albdeeoo Interiors. You made it life very simple for me, and how trustworthy company you are. I am so thankful for your work, for your services, and all above the technicians, the manure, whoever come to that place, manure, they all have been a very, very positive personality. Thank you, Albdeeoo Interiors. It's a remarkable thing for me. I have been associated with you and I will keep my association with you. Thank you, Albdeeoo. It's a fantastic, fantastic interior. It's a fantastic cabin for sure. Thank you very much, Albdeeoo. Cool.